Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, there lived a kind-hearted gardener named Mr. Greenwood. He was renowned for his lush, vibrant garden that flourished with an array of exotic flowers and lush, verdant greenery. One sunny morning, Mr. Greenwood noticed a family of 4, the Johnsons, wandering through his garden, their faces filled with curiosity and wonder. The young children, Jake and Lily, were captivated by the colorful blooms and the intoxicating aroma that filled the air. As Mr. Greenwood approached, he noticed the children's questions. "Why are these flowers so beautiful?" asked Jake, while Lily wondered aloud, "How do these plants grow so tall?" Mr. Greenwood, ever eager to share his passion for gardening, knelt down to their level and began to explain. He told them about the importance of sunlight, water, and the right soil for plants to grow. He spoke of patience, hard work, and the joy that comes from nurturing something from a tiny seed into a towering plant. The children listened intently, their eyes wide with fascination. They asked questions, and Mr. Greenwood answered each one, sharing his wisdom and love for the art of gardening. As they continued their tour, Mr. Greenwood noticed that Mrs. Johnson seemed lost in thought. When he asked if everything was all right, she shared a heartfelt story. She told him about their recent move to the town, their struggles to settle in, and the void they felt in their lives. Mr. Greenwood, who had long been a pillar of the community, understood their predicament. He invited them to spend more time in his garden, to find solace, comfort, and a newfound love for nature. The Johnsons accepted his offer, and over time, they began to rediscover their passion for life. They found joy in tending to the plants, learning from Mr. Greenwood, and growing a bond with their new community. The garden, once a mere source of beauty and wonder, had become a beacon of hope and healing for the Johnsons. It served as a reminder that with patience, effort, and a nurturing heart, even the most barren soil can bloom into a garden of life. And so, the tale of the gardener and the family serves as a testament to the power of connection, the joy of learning, and the transformative power of a simple garden. It reminds us that every seed holds the potential for growth, and every challenge presents an opportunity for change.